Back there, Mom. Come on, let's go, guys. Get them excited. Let's everybody cheer. Come on, let's go. Get it, Marley. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. There you go. 21 feet even on that. 21 feet. Now.
Come here. Go get this.
Hershey? He's from the Dayton, Ohio area. All right, here we go. This is Story.
Ready, 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 go!
Go, Story, go!
Whoa! 24 feet. Throw it. 16 feet, 10 inches. 16, 10. That was a real long throw there, but still a nice throw. Nash over here getting rubber. 16.8, 16 feet 8 inches. Good job there. Beautiful dog, beautiful swimming dog. How about Nikki with David? David and Nikki. This is a German Shepherd. Nice job. Hey, we want to thank you guys for hanging out with us. We are going to have another show here, but enjoy the rest of the Cherry Festival. We're going to be back here camping all day today. We've got another jump in Queens and
Oh, I had to like grab him with my leg.